Today we are making an end-to-end automation that can replace your email marketing tools like instantly and smartly. And also this workflow verify your email and write a personalized email for each of your lead. And before sending any email, it will delay a random time. Without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, you need a trigger. For this, I am using just a manual trigger, but you can use a scheduled trigger also. After the trigger, you need to get your leads data, and my leads data are in Google Sheet, and this is the simple template of first name, last name, email, company, and website, and a status of note sent. After that, we need to add Google Sheet node into Anytone, and its action will be get rows in sheet. After this, you need to select your sheet where your lead data is stored. After this, I usually add a filter about the status that whether the user have received the email or not. And we will put the value only import the status of not send leads. After this, we will execute the workflow to test if it working or not. And here you can see it will gather the data. After this, we need to add a loop over item so it sends one email a time. After a loop, we need to validate the email using JavaScript. So this is the JavaScript code. You can pause the video and copy the code. After this, we need to execute the step to make sure that it's working or not. After this, we need to add a switch node whether it's true or not. If it's true, it will move forward, and if false, it will gather another loop item. In the switch node, you can add is valid into value 1 and select the boolean to is true and rename the output as 2 and do the same for the false one. After this, we need to test the workflow again to make sure that everything is working. So you can see there it output as a true. After this, we need to generate the email itself. So for this, as for it's a personalized email for each lead, we will use OpenAI node and the action will be message a model. After this, you need to connect your credential. You can use it's pretty simple, just your API key. After this, we need to choose the model. For this, I am using GPT-5 and this is the prompt. You can copy this prompt also. So in the user prompt, I will paste this prompt and this reddish, this is wrong. I need to correct this using this node. After adding the prompt, you need to correct the JSON. It's just drag and drop. After the user prompt, we need to add another prompt of system prompt. You can select the role here, and after this, copy this system prompt here and also correct the JSON. After that, we can execute the workflow to make sure that everything is working. And as you can see, OpenAI just output two JSON, one subject line and other is email body. After this, we need to send the email itself. You can use whether Gmail or a custom email using SMTP server. So here we can select an action, send an email. You can write the email you are sending from. For my case, it's james at getadditive.com. And to email, you can drag and drop this JSON from Google Sheet. And for subject line, you can add this subject line from OpenAI node. And in the email format, you can select as a text and put the JSON in the text field. After this, you can also test this to make sure that the user is getting the email. And you can see here we have received an email from the same james at getadditive.com. After this, for now I am pinning this OpenAI node so it don't need to run again and again. After sending an email, we can use a set field to mark the status of the email as sent, and we can run this flow again to make sure that it's working. And as you can see here, it's output as a send. After this, we need to update the Google Sheet itself. Here you can select an action of append or update rows in sheet. In that, you need to select the same Google Sheet you did before to get leads. After this, we need to select column to match on, which is the rarest thing is email. So we can drag and drop all of the JSON here from the past Google Sheet. And in the status bar, we can choose this status from the set node. After this, we can also execute the step to make sure everything is working fine. And as you can see in the Google Sheet, the status has update from not sent to send. After this, we need to generate a random second delay between each email. So we will do this using JavaScript, and this is the JavaScript code. You can copy this, and after it we can execute this step to make sure that its output a random second. After, you can see the JavaScript is outputting a random delay second. After this, you need to add a wait node. In the wait node with wait amount, you can add the JSON from the code, and after connecting the wait node, you can connect the wait to again the loop, so it's go again and again. And for the switch node, you can also connect it to again loop, so if it's false, it will go again and get another lead data. And after this, now we can again test this workflow, so make sure that everything is working fine. And you can see it will not work because we don't update the status to not send in Google Sheet. After executing the workflow again, you can see the workflow is working totally fine. It's generating the email using OpenAI node. After that, after sending the email, you can see here we have received the email itself, which will be a fully personalized email for each lead. And after this, it will wait a random delay, which in this case, which is 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, it will go again, and there is no other leads, so the workflow will stop. And thank you for watching the video till end. See you soon in the next video.